Hey man, let me give a special shout out to Mack June TV, man. Dae Uno in the build, man. Make sure you go check them out, man.
I got a wifey to come to, 5 kids that look just like me, and that's prices to run to. Good life. Mack June.
Run your pockets, boy, don't give a about who you is. He say, don't know that I'm his. His life was off when we drove by, but now they on. We bout to slide again. Who the fuck these think they is? Just big Uno when you say my name, don't forget the pig.
So this one that I've heard several times. This is freestyle.
This is freestyle, bro.
Okay.
Like, if you go, Fresh J was the engineer that night, bro. Ask him.
Okay.
When you ask him,
Right.
like, you know, when in there and did his thing, no pen, no. That's just how it
Right.
was, bro.
Okay. Yeah. No, ain't no thing. I believe you. I trust you.
For sure.
All right. Now, before we play that record,
Right.
right now, while people are listening to it, where can they look you up?
I mean, you can find me on Instagram at _DAEUNO. That's Dae Uno. Facebook DAEUNO. Dae Uno. Twitter DAEUNO. Everything is Dae Uno. DAEUNO.
All right. Now, after this song goes off, we're gonna chop it up real quick about how you came up with this particular name. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. We all slide. Dae Uno. Oh, see, let's get it.
Hey, one slide, we all slide. Hey, one slide, we all slide in. I had to make it back. I had to chase the cash. They say loving me, all but the love don't last. I should've knew that they would change up.
All right. So the name Dae Uno.
Right.
Where's the name? Where'd it come from?
Okay, well, my homegirl, I got a homegirl named Asante, bro, and we were, you know what I'm saying, kids.
Mm-hmm.
Well, not kids, but you know what I'm saying, just youngins or whatever. But
Yeah.
she always used to call me Day One. You know what I'm saying? She always used to call me, that's my Day One or whatever. So
Right.
one day she just called me Dae Uno, and I was like, you know what I'm saying, that sounds kind of cool. And this was like probably like 6 years ago. So
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, that sounds cool. I'm running with that.
And it's stuck.
Stuck with it.
Stuck.
You know what I'm saying?
They always say the best names, the best nicknames are the ones that's given to you.
Given to you, bro.
Yeah.
For real.
And yeah, you inherit those and you run off with them.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? All right, so then we got a couple more minutes. Talk about this next one. Let's do it, man. How this record right here come about?
Like I said, bro, I really don't be writing, you know what I'm saying? But I was really, I ain't gonna lie, I was turned up on this record right here. Like,
Okay.
I was really turned up, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay.
And got the beat produced by Kyle Field, Simba. He produced a beat for me or whatever. And I heard this and was like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I need to write nothing too.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I'm in there.
Okay.
In my bag with this one.
How can they reach you?
Hey, man, you can follow me on Instagram at _DAEUNO, Twitter _DAEUNO, YouTube DAEUNO, SoundCloud DAEUNO. Everything is DAEUNO, man.
All right, that's right. Good life.
Hey, one slide, we all slide in. I had to make it back. I had to chase the cash. They say loving me, all but the love don't last. I should've knew that they would change up. Hey, lose sunny days when the